Want to remove an app from your iPhone, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to uninstall apps on iPhone. Now let's get started. To remove an app from your iPhone, swipe to the page of your home screen with the app you want to delete. Hold down the app icon. Then tap Remove App. Now you can choose if you just want to delete the app from your home screen, but still keep it installed on your device, or delete the app to remove the app and all its data from your iPhone. To confirm, tap Delete. You can find any apps that aren't on your home screen but are still in your app library by swiping to the rightmost page of your home screen. Tap App Library at the top to see your apps in an alphabetical list, and easily type in the name of an app you want to find. This makes it easy to access any apps you want to keep installed but don't want on your home screen. You can remove apps from this list by holding down the app icon and selecting Delete App. That's all it takes to uninstall apps on your iPhone. If you're having trouble removing apps, check out this tutorial to learn some tips to delete apps that won't uninstall. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.